Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. While I was waiting for this other video to load that I just did on this logo, and I just noticed it needs a lot of cleaning up still. He's been working on this, or they've been working on this, so hopefully um, they've got some things cleared up. But I don't like while I was waiting on it to load, I was just watching or looking at the logo and see how this is squared off and this is rounded off. And, everything's not symmetrical. And if you worked a little bit on this and got it symmetrical, do the whole thing. And I'm not 100% happy with my fire that I put in place with that. But this is a different way. Well, it's text to path, but looking at it from a different way, instead of drawing a circle that shape, you need some sort of path. So I'm going to grab the 2-point line. I'm going to go from that node to that node with a 2-point line. Then I'm going to get my shape tool, and I'm going to click on my line, and I'm going to select both ends of the line. I'm going to right click till I get a curve. Now I'm going to curve this up. I'm going to set my nudge distance on 3 inches. I'm going to move this out of the way, 3 inches. Now take our text that I just typed out, and I'm going to hold down the right mouse button and get it in there and let go, and it'll show me a menu for text to path. And I don't know why it does that sometimes, but that's very easily fixed. And we're a little bit on one side. That's, you can kind of play with it and get them as far apart as you want, or let's just kind of back up here. Let's do that again. Right click, fit text to path. There it is again. Corel does that sometimes. And we're a little bit on that side of the arrow, so let's move it over. That's good enough. Now the reason we use the nudge distance, and I'll show you why, we're going to select that. Let's make sure we select it all. Object, break text apart, grab our text, and cursor back our little bit, or 3 inches. Now I'm going to change the nudge factor to 0.001, and I'm just going to nudge this guy up. I'm just holding down the up arrow key. And that's not perfect, but I think it looks better than NatR. And you could maybe start with a little bit broader font, more closely resembling that one. But if you're going to take some time to work on this, your text should look good too. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.